So if we just do a hop, hop, stick, the difference with this is the second hop now we want that stiffness. We don't want to see any sinking. So if you just hop, hop, stick, okay, and he's going to land in that good position, okay? So once more, hop, hop, stick, good. And again, he's landing in a solid position. So that second hop, we don't want them to sink. He really has to keep that stiffness. And again, we'll just get you to reach medial. Let's do a lateral reach this time, actually. Okay, good, nice. And the key thing here is as Shane steps, as he plants his foot, he reaches to create that perturbation, okay? Now, what we can do for Shane here is we can also bias some of these tissues. So if I wanted to put more load through Shane's adductor, okay, then I can put Shane in a position before he even hops, okay? So if I wanted to make sure, so let's just, it's your right adductor, isn't it? So let's just make sure and be responsible, okay, that Shane can tolerate this load, just a hop, hop, stick on his right. Okay, now to make it easier for Shane here, I can get Shane to start with his hands this way. Okay, so we're putting more load through his lateral hip here, less adductor, and now keep your hands there and hop, hop, stick. Okay, good. The stick needs a little bit of work. Okay, and again, with a lot of this stuff, patients will get it after 2 or 3 reps. You don't have to cue them or jump in. Now that's a regression. To progress and put more load through his adductor now, and this will be interesting, let's get you reaching this way, which is going to put more load through his adductor when he hops. Okay, and let's see how he manages that. Good. How did that feel?
Yeah, not bad. Just no control of the hand.
Yeah. Okay, and you can see he's really struggling with that landing now. Okay, so once more. Okay, so that's, yeah, so the timing there, I've given him 3 or 4 reps and he hasn't really figured it out. So what we'd want to do here now is we'd want to regress Shane to a hop and stick. So Shane, this time, if you face the camera, I want you to set yourself up like that, and I just want you to do a hop and stick. Okay, good. So you can see he can nail that bit, okay, which is good. Okay, and again. Okay, so he has that. So the hop, hop, stick now is a little bit too hard. That's too easy. So now, Shane, what I want you to do is I want you to land, and as you're landing, then I want you to create the perturbation. Okay, so you're going to reach. That's it. Okay, so this is the level now that I would keep Shane, so that we create that little bit more of a perturbation. That's better. You okay? Any pain?
No.
Good. Perfect, and that's better. Okay, so do 2 more of those, and I'm going to get you back on the hop, hop, stick. Good job. Well done. So he's solid with that now. He's figuring this out. Good job. Okay, now go back into the hop, hop, stick. We'll bias your adductor again, and then we'll see what he's like. Okay, good. That's a little bit better. So do 1 more. Perfect. Okay, so we're getting there.